Today I'm going to teach you how to add a LinkedIn link to your resume in Canva. This is a simple way to make your resume more interactive and give potential employers direct access to your professional profile. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to head over to linkedin.com and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the profile you want to link to your resume. This step is important because you'll be copying the specific URL that leads directly to your LinkedIn page. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here you'll see your profile picture and name displayed. Go ahead and click on your profile. This action will take you to your full LinkedIn profile page where all your professional information, experience, and connections are displayed. This is the page that hiring managers will see when they click the link on your resume. Now that you're on your profile page, direct your attention to the top of the screen. You'll notice the URL in the address bar contains your unique LinkedIn profile link. This is what we need to capture. Click on the URL to highlight it, then copy it. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting copy, or simply using the keyboard shortcut. Keep this link handy as we'll be using it in just a moment. With your LinkedIn URL copied, it's time to switch over to your resume in Canva. Open the design file where your resume is located. If you haven't already created a resume in Canva, make sure you have one ready with a section that mentions LinkedIn. This could be in your contact information area or a dedicated links section. Once your resume is open, scan through your design and find where LinkedIn is mentioned. This could be displayed as text that says LinkedIn or perhaps as an icon with the word next to it. Click on the LinkedIn text to select it, then highlight it completely. This ensures that the link will be applied to exactly the text you want to make clickable. After highlighting the LinkedIn text, look toward the top of your Canva toolbar. You'll see several icons for formatting and editing. Locate and click on the link icon. This icon typically looks like a chain link or paperclip symbol. Clicking it will open a dialog box where you can insert a URL. In the dialog box that appears, paste the LinkedIn URL you copied earlier. Simply right-click in the field and select Paste, or use the keyboard shortcut. Make sure the entire URL is pasted correctly, as any missing characters could result in a broken link. Once the URL is pasted, click the Done button to apply the link. This finalizes the connection between your LinkedIn text and your actual profile. Now, when someone views your resume as a PDF or clicks on it digitally, they'll be able to click directly on the LinkedIn text and be taken straight to your profile. This makes it incredibly easy for recruiters and hiring managers to learn more about your professional background. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable LinkedIn link to your Canva resume. This small addition can make a big difference in how accessible and professional your resume appears. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.